Step 1. Shaping. Draw the 4 points at the top, bottom, left, and right of the square pyramid. Determine its proportions. Find the quadrilateral at the base, which was originally a square but has become a perspective quadrilateral due to the viewing angle. Determine the shape of its projection. Step 2. Structure. The internal structure of the pyramid consists of 4 isosceles triangles and 1 square. Step 3. Relationships. Emphasize the light and dark boundary lines. Distinguish between the light-facing and shadow-facing sides. Layer by layer. Enhance the relationships between the front and back of the object. Step 4. Detailing. Use tissue to blend the dark areas. Creating a smoother color transition. Be careful not to make the edge lines too heavy. So that they blend with the background. Add details to enhance the texture of the plaster. Also, pay attention to the front and back relationships. Step 5. Adjusting. Enhance the sense of space in the image.